Imagine sitting in front of your PC, the room dim, the screen glowing, the silence thick with anticipation. And in that moment, you aren't just launching a game, you're stepping into a world built from raw power, precision engineering, and unapologetic performance. Imagine pressing play, and instead of watching a loading bar, your world explodes into motion, reflections dancing across metal surfaces, shadows rolling across landscapes with lifelike depth, textures so sharp they almost feel tangible, and frames so smooth that reality itself feels like it's accelerating around you. That is the feeling behind the AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT. Not just another graphics card, not just another step forward in performance. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. But a declaration, a bold statement that the future of gaming, creation, rendering, and immersive visual experience belongs to those who demand more. More speed, more clarity, more intensity, more presence. Because the RX 9070 XT isn't simply about pushing pixels. It's about pushing possibilities. From the very moment you power on your system, you feel it. The fans awaken with confidence, the lights breathe to life, and deep inside your machine sits a piece of hardware that feels less like a component and more like a heart, beating with sheer computational force, ready to unleash everything it has the second you ask for it. The RX 9070 XT isn't built for quiet, casual moments. It's built for challenge. Built for worlds that stretch beyond imagination. Built for players, creators, engineers, filmmakers, designers, and visionaries who don't just use technology, they push it to its absolute edge. And when you launch your first game, your first render, your first creative project, that edge becomes visible. Frames don't just move, they glide. Motion doesn't just play, it flows, as if every scene was carved from a single stream of liquid performance. High-resolution textures snap into existence with breathtaking clarity. Ray-traced lighting pierces through environments with cinematic precision. Massive open worlds reveal layer after layer of detail. Cities alive with motion, landscapes stretching into the horizon, reflections shimmering across glass, metal, and water like living surfaces. The RX 9070 XT doesn't simply show you a game. It immerses you inside it, surrounds you with depth and atmosphere, pulls you into environments that feel less like code, and more like reality itself. And then there's the power. Not just theoretical performance measured in charts and benchmarks, but visible power. The kind of power you feel when your PC doesn't hesitate, doesn't struggle, doesn't compromise. When everything you throw at it, ultra settings, max textures, high-resolution monitors, demanding engines, heavy simulations, is handled with ruthless efficiency. You launch demanding titles, creative suites, rendering pipelines, AI workloads, and the RX 9070 XT doesn't flinch. It doesn't ask for mercy. It delivers, relentlessly, consistently, confidently. This is where you realize something important. The Radeon RX 9070 XT isn't built merely for gaming, it's built for possibility. For builders who push beyond limits. For creators who work with massive timelines, dense visual layers, realistic lighting simulations, and high dynamic range cinematic workflows. For people who don't just consume content, they produce it. Every frame rendered, every texture processed, every model shaped and animated, all backed by raw compute muscle designed to accelerate creativity just as fiercely as it accelerates games. And in that